Tracfone currently has 20% off of phone and plan bundles. Hey guys, today I want to let you know that Tracfone is currently offering 20% off of phone and plan bundles for April 2018. So let's check it out. You can click my link on smartphonematters.com or check the description below. Now you'll need to enter your zip code. I'll enter mine. Now, let me tell you a little bit about Tracfone's latest deal and promotion. For April 2018, you'll save 20% when you buy a phone and plan bundle and enter the promo code Tracfone20 in your cart. And Tracfone typically offers these discounts every month, but the amount you'll save varies between 10 and 30%. And there are a few more details you need to know. First, the promo code may not apply to all phone and plan bundles. Second, the maximum discount is $100. And while this deal is supposed to expire at the end of the month, sometimes the promotions end early. And finally, these phones are locked and they cannot be activated with any other carrier or on any other network. I hear from a lot of readers that are interested in using the latest iPhone or Samsung phone with Tracfone, and they'd like to buy the phone from Tracfone. And Tracfone doesn't always have the iPhone or the Samsung Galaxy S models in stock, so it really just depends on what the availability is at any given time. So let's take a look at Apple and Samsung here. And we'll see they have the iPhone 6s Space Gray, and they have the iPhone 6s Plus. And then for the Samsung Galaxy S models, they have the Samsung Galaxy S. Now, I tried that promo code Tracfone20 with the iPhone 6s and with the Samsung Galaxy S7, and it worked for both of these phones. So let me show you. All right, let's try the iPhone 6s. This is the Space Gray model. It's 32 gigabytes of storage. Now you can see the retail price is $299. So you're off to a good start there because this is less than what Apple actually sells the phone for. Apple sells this phone for $449. So there's a $150 savings there right off the bat. Now I'm going to choose retail price and then add that to the cart. And now you need to pick a plan. I'm going to pick the most expensive plan, which is a 1-year plan, 365 service days. And that plan is $125. Now I'll click continue and I'll add that to the cart. All right, you'll see in the cart the subtotal is $424. Now you're getting the phone and 1 year of service for $424. And if you were to compare that to, again, what you'd pay buying the phone directly from Apple, it's $449. So you're already getting a pretty good deal there. Now watch what happens when I apply the code Tracfone20. You'll see you'll get a discount of $84.80, so that's 20% off of $420. So now the subtotal in the cart goes down to $339.20. All right, let's check out the savings. So if you were to buy the phone directly from Apple, it's $449, and then here you're paying $339.20. And you'll see the savings is $110. Now, the price of the plan that we bought was $125, so that's close to another year's plan there. So I think actually this is a pretty good deal. All right, let's go back and check out the phones again. And I'll show you for the Samsung Galaxy S7. Now, this phone is $429. It says the retail price is $529, and they're selling it for $429. But if you were to check Samsung.com, and you'll see Samsung is selling it for $470 as opposed to $430. So you're saving an additional $40 over buying the phone directly from Samsung. Now, I'm going to add that to the cart. Now, you could pick whatever plan you want. Last time I picked the $125 1-year plan, and I can do that again here. And you'll see the subtotal is $554.99, so that's the Samsung Galaxy S7 and the $125 1-year service plan. Now, because the subtotal is over $500, you're going to hit the maximum savings of $100 when you use the promo code Tracfone20. And now you'll see the subtotal is $455. So you're getting the phone and 1 year of service for less than you would get buying the S7 directly from Samsung. Now, before I go, there are a few details I want to share with you. If you were to buy this iPhone 6s or the Samsung Galaxy S7 from Tracfone, the phone is locked. It can't be activated with any other carrier. And if you were to buy them from Apple or Samsung directly, the phone would be unlocked and you could use them with any carrier. And there are a few more details you need to know, but rather than going into them in the video, I'll put a link to an article about that over here on smartphonematters.com, and you can check that out if you're interested. And before you buy a smartphone from Tracfone, you should definitely check that out so you can make an informed decision about your purchase. All right, guys, that's going to be it for now, and I will talk to you in the next one.